Let me show you how you can quickly delete and close your Cash App account. To begin, open the Cash App on your phone. Once you're inside, the very first thing you'll want to do before closing your account is to make sure there's no money left in it. To do that, just transfer any remaining funds to a linked external bank account. To check your balance, tap the $ icon at the bottom left corner of the menu bar. From there, choose the withdraw option and confirm the amount you want to send out. Once your balance is cleared out, you're ready to move forward with closing your account. From any screen, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner. Inside your account information menu, scroll all the way down until you see the support option. That'll be the last item on the list. Tap it. In the support menu, use the search bar at the top to type in Close Account. When the search results appear, tap on the first result that says Close your Cash App account. You'll see a message explaining that closing your account will deactivate your cash tag, stop any future payments, and log you out from all active sessions. Keep in mind that Cash App is legally required to retain some of your transaction records and account data. If you're sure your balance is zero and you're ready to close it, scroll down and tap Confirm at the bottom. That will begin the closing process. Once it's done, your Cash App account will be permanently deleted. You can then go ahead and uninstall the app from your phone if you don't plan to use it anymore, and that's how you delete and close your Cash App account. Thanks for watching.